Pesticides are registered by the government to guarantee safety and effectiveness to those who want to use them. This is assured only if you read and follow label directions for proper usage.
Everybody wants to eat safe food, and one of the things that the international market requires is that we can actually assure them that the foods that we are growing are safe by providing details and records and documentation on the pesticides that we have used and how we have used them. So safe food is very critical to us, and we want to ensure that the farmers understand this, because safe food is also one of the big contributors to increased market access for our Kenyan products.
Upon purchase of pesticides from a verified agrovet, farmers are advised to check on labels to ensure they are readable with clear instructions in local language, English and Kiswahili only. If not, or if they are difficult to read, poorly printed, or lack information, they are likely to be illegal or counterfeit.
One of the features of a genuine product is the Pest Control Products Board number, whereby it's written PCPB in brackets here, that is Certificate of Registration, and then a numerical number of 4 digits, that is number 1. Then the other thing that you should look at is that the label should be in English and Kiswahili without another language. Not either Kiswahili or English, but both should be there. And generally, we encourage farmers to get used to products, such that when you realize there is a change in a product, you can really tell and maybe inquire more from the agrovet attendants.
Check labels for valid date of manufacture, expiry date, and batch number. Check the product label for the product registration number provided by the Pest Control Product Board. Only apply the amount as directed on the labels. More is not better and can cause harm to human health, damage crop, and elevate pesticide residues.
Different markets have set different requirements, and if the farmers are not using the pesticide in the right way, there is also a likelihood that our produce will be intercepted by different importing countries. Our produce will lose competitiveness, because these increased controls they are published, and different consumers are able to know that which country is exporting produce that is unsafe to their consumers, and therefore most of consumers will tend to shy away from our produce. And what that means again is we are going to lose markets, and when you lose the market again, we are going to lose big time in terms of economy for this country.
Also check for expiry date to ensure it is fit for use. Confirm that the active ingredient stated on the label and that the product is recommended for crop and pests against which it is to be used. Look out for color codes to guide on pesticide toxicity. Pesticides with green bands are the safest to use, followed by those with blue bands. Yellow color includes harmful products, and the red bands indicate high toxicity to health or a hazard to the environment. All can be used safely if handled and applied properly, but if there is a choice of different effective options, the safest product should be chosen. Also check labels for storage and disposal instructions for guidelines on temperatures and surroundings. Labels should also list personal protective equipment (PPE) needed to prevent exposure to the pesticide. Do not use pesticides in any manner other than those specifically listed on the label. The pesticide label is your best guide to using pesticides safely and effectively. Farmers should attend available trainings on good agricultural practices and pesticide use within their counties. This offers reference materials on pesticide use and face-to-face meetings with experts. Remember, proper usage of pesticides increases yields and market access for your produce. Food safety is everyone's responsibility, starting with the farmer. Dawa bora, mazao bora.